Nestled within a bustling condominium in Guatemala City, Casa Luz de Paz stands as a testament to architectural innovation and a deep respect for nature. The house, a departure from the traditional masonry structures prevalent in the region, is defined by its sleek, concrete frame and the deliberate exposure of its structural elements. The decision to shift from masonry to concrete was driven by a desire to create a more open and airy living space. The concrete frame, reinforced with steel beams, provides a sturdy foundation while allowing for large, uninterrupted windows that blur the lines between indoors and out. To emphasize the structural beauty of the concrete, the architects employed a unique formwork technique. Fine woods were used to create intricate patterns on the concrete surfaces, leaving a lasting imprint that adds a touch of warmth and texture to the otherwise industrial material. The design of the windows was carefully considered to maximize natural light and provide unobstructed views of the surrounding greenery. Floor-to-ceiling windows dominate the exterior walls, transforming the interior spaces into expansive balconies when fully opened. Preserving the existing vegetation was a priority for the architects. By carefully positioning the house and designing the windows to frame the trees, the inhabitants can enjoy a seamless connection with the natural world. The interplay of light and shadow cast by the trees adds a dynamic quality to the interior spaces. To enhance the sense of openness and brightness, the horizontal and vertical surfaces of the house were painted a crisp white. This neutral color serves as a backdrop for the rich textures of the exposed concrete, wood, and tempered glass. spaces are characterized by a minimalist aesthetic, with clean lines and uncluttered surfaces. The use of natural materials in their raw state creates a sense of authenticity and timelessness. The overall effect is one of understated elegance and tranquility. Casa Luz de Paz is more than just a dwelling. It is a sanctuary where the inhabitants can connect with nature, appreciate the beauty of architecture, and experience the transformative power of light. It stands as a testament to the architect's commitment to creating sustainable, harmonious living spaces that celebrate both human ingenuity and the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Casa Luz de Paz. We hope you enjoyed learning about the unique architectural features and design elements that make this home so special. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on architecture, design, and sustainable living. We look forward to sharing more inspiring projects with you in the future. Until then, stay tuned and keep exploring the world of architecture. See you in the next video.